Good morning, students. Welcome to class 7th, subject reasoning, lecture number 9. Topic we are going to cover in this reasoning lecture is verbal series. The following series are based on letter sequence. In each, some letters are missing. Find the correct alternative to fill the blanks. Here are the series of letters in which some blanks are there. You need to fill these blanks with the correct letters so that some sequence will be formed. 4 options are given for every. First option is B, 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 B. That means in the first blank you will write down B, in the second also B, third also B, and fourth also B. Second option is B, B, A, A. That means in first blank you will fill B, in second you will fill B, in third A, and in fourth A. In the same way, third is A, B, B, A, and D option is A. Now, how do you come to know that which option is correct? Better this you will do by rough work. Now what you will do, one by one, all the 4 options you will fill in the blank. See, I am doing one for you. A is given. In the blank, I am writing B, then A. Again blank is there. If I use the first option, it will come here B, then A, then A. Again in the blank B, then A, then in blank B, and then B. Here I have used the first option. Now see, I have filled B option also in the same way. A, B, B, A, B, A, B. And third option also and fourth option also. Now these 4 answers we have. You have to see that in which you are getting the sequence. Okay, where has the pattern formed? Now see carefully. Can you tell? Here is A, 2 times B, 2 times A, then 1 time B, then 2 times A, then no sequence is formed. So this is not the answer. Then A, 2 times B, 2 times A, then 1 time B, 2 times A. Here is 1 time B only. No. 2 times A, 1 time B, 2 times A, 1 times B, 2 times A, 1 times B. Yes. This is the correct answer because in every we are getting 2 times A and 1 times B. Okay. See here also 2 times A, 1 time B, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times A and then B. So this is also wrong. So which option is correct? We will say that third option is correct. In the same way, we will do the second question. It is dash A dash B dash A dash A. Options are given to you. First is B. Second is A. Third is B. And the fourth is A. So if we will fill one by one all these options in these blanks, we will get, see, first of all I have written this complete question number 2 with blanks 4 times. Okay, now one by one I will put these 4 options in these blanks. First option is 4 times B. So in every blank I am filling B. Second option is 3 times A and 1 time B. So here again I am filling 3 times A and B. Third option is B. So here I will fill B, A, B. And the last option D which is given to us is AB. So I will fill here A, B. Now see which is the correct answer, which is making the sequence pattern. Some pattern has made here. Which one is there? Okay, let us see. Here is B, 3 times B is there, then 3 times A, then 2 times B. No, it is not making any. So let us put cross. First option is wrong. Second is A, 3 times A, then B, then 1, 2, 3, 4 times A, then B. No, this is also wrong. Now here it is BAA. Okay, BAA. No, this is also not. Now AA, BB, then 1, 2, 3, 4 times A, then 2 times C. Yes, this is correct. See how. Beta, pattern, you don't know that in pattern things repeat. Okay, now see, here is 2 times A in the starting, then 2 times B. Now here are 4 times A, then 2 times B. But if we will repeat this A here, if we will repeat again from here, then again we will write down it here. 2 times A, then 2 times B, then 4 times A. So now it will become 4 times A. So what is our sequence? 4 times A, 2 times B, then 4 times A, 2 times B. So D option is correct. So we will mark here D. D1 is correct. In the same way, now you will fill the third. Dash B, A, B, dash A, dash. Okay, I am going to fill it here only. First is A, B, A. See, is any pattern has made here? 1 time A, 3 times B, then 3 times A, then 3 times B, then 2 times A. But here is 2 times A. And when we repeat, when we start, when we join starting point here, okay, then again we have to need to write down here A. Okay, this A will come here, then again 3B, then 3A. So now see, this is a sequence. 3 times A, this A I have taken it here. 3 times A, then 3 times B, then 3 times A, then 3 times B, then 3 times A. Okay, so we got the answer A. So if you have got first time answer, then there is no need to solve others. So this is called the letter sequence, in which there is some pattern has made that 2 times A, 2 times B, or 1 time A, 3 times B, like this. On the basis of above explanation, one assignment has been made for you. So your homework is to do that assignment. Hope this is clear to you. Thank you, students.